Should we move to the side?
Oh, wait. I need to no pictures.
Check out this view of Lake Kivu from our balcony. Pretty solid way to start the morning.
We are headed to Napoleon Island, or Bat Island. Another little island. Let's call this Unplanned Pregnancy Island. Girls that brought shame on their family with out-of-marriage pregnancies would be left there to die. But they didn't always die. Sometimes people came on boats from the Congo and took them.
1940.
In 1940 is when that practice stopped. The way all the hills move and the slopiness of these hills, it's incredible.
This morning, we're at Volcanoes National Park to find some mountain gorillas.
In the Disney, they teach Jane how to speak gorilla. And then she's like, ooh, ooh, which is how to say Jane is staying here.
Oh, we have not learned any gorilla.
I'm excited to learn gorilla.
We're on our way, going super muddy trails. We need an armed guard, not to kill any animals, but to scare off buffaloes and elephants that may be around. Don't worry, they don't shoot them. Shoot up or down. Got masks so the gorillas don't get COVID. Going in.
Scratching, thinking.
You respond, the silverback is asking how are you? Roman catchers.
This is very slippery.
They're right there. So close.
That little guy looked a bit like he was waking before, but whatever.
Now they're trying.
Should we move to the side?
Oh, wait. I need to no pictures.
Turn around. Oh, look, he's moving.
Yeah, but you're good. You? Look at that. I just want big. It's a zero problem. Come on.
Just a little kid waiting for his mom to finish eating. We've been blessed and touched by gorillas passing by. We're not washing our pants from here on out. And it was incredible how close they got.
nuko mafumba agira nyakwezi n'ushaka kurira nuko nyakwezi agira amafumba ateye mafumbire ribona nuko nyakwezi arabyumva ugera mu gitondo agira seti dawe wambyaye nuko nyabunemwe we
What mountain is that?
Mountain Bisoke.
Let's do it!
Yes, let's do it.
And when I said mountain, I mean volcano. We're going up this volcano. It's actually shared between Rwanda and Congo, so you've got some soldiers right at the bottom. This is the muddiest hike of my life. I've almost lost my boots a couple times. It started raining, it started hailing. It's miserable. My fingers were frozen. Oh, I needed help getting my camera out, my phone out. Both my thighs are cramping. Both my feet are soaked. But we made it to the top!
So congratulations.
Let's go back.
Yeah, let's go first.
Just be like me and fall a lot. But it's worth it.
You wanna see something gross?
Okay, that's not great. This is how trench foot happens.
Trench foot.
We're here to shop for our cooking class.
I don't think we actually know what we're cooking yet, but we'll figure it out. Now we're ready. Now we're ready.
The onions have been getting to me.
We're cooking here with charcoal, and we just got another charcoal delivery actually. So they order enough for 1 week.
I asked Shadi, our guide, how many people are we cooking for? She said about 20 Americans or 5 Rwandans. At least it's not onions. We're mashing dodo, which is like a spinach, but not. Eggplant and a bunch of other deliciousness. Green plantains made in a tomato paste. Cassava and sweet potato.
We've cooked, we've eaten. Now we're just taking a walk around Nyamramba, exploring this super lively neighborhood. Cows are very important in Rwandan society, and so milk is very important in Rwandan society, and they have milk bars. So we're at our first milk bar. Cheers!
Mario Herwit. That's enjoy your drink.
Ooh, that's actually really good.
The milk, yeah. Ooh. That's very smooth. It's very smooth.
Good quality milk.
This is the Hotel Rwanda, where a very well-meaning manager did save a lot of Tutsi people during the genocide in 1994. That manager is an example of many people that were very brave to help and make sure to safeguard many lives during the genocide. It is not the story you've heard through Hollywood, but that story was based on a humble and very brave man that worked here.
Murabeho, Rwanda, and Mambo, Tanzania.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Always.